Welcome. A quick one on this. This is question 19. A square has diagonal of length 10 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of the square. So let's make a sketch of what the square will look like. Let's say if this is a square and the diagonal has the length of 10 centimeter, this is going to be the same all around. So if I'm going to pick this one as a right angle triangle because this angle there is 90 degrees, I can use Pythagoras theorem. We say that the square of the longest side equals the square of the sum of the two other sides. So I'm having a square plus a square equals to 10 square. You know a square is in two places. We have 2a square equals to 100. If you divide both sides by the 2, then you'll be having a square equals to 50. Find the square root of both sides. Your a will be equals to the root of 50, which is 25 times 2. That will give you 5 root what? 2 as the length. Remember, we are looking for the perimeter. So this is 5 root 2, 5 root 2, 5 root 2 in 4 places. We can say our perimeter equals to 4 times the 5 root 2. And that will give you 4, 5, 20 root 2. Then we add our centimeter, and that is going to be the option word C. And I guess this is also clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.